FX Luminaire has been advancing the boundaries of landscape lighting technology for more than 3 decades. We know that no outdoor lighting design is complete without considering the control requirements for diverse client and environmental needs. That's why we offer a variety of low-voltage lighting transformers with varying levels of control to accommodate projects of all scopes, ranging from simple on-off capabilities to the next-generation wireless technology. FX Luminaire transformers offer basic, intermediate, and advanced control capabilities. Depending on the model, they are available in stainless steel or powder-coated galvanized steel finishes, multi- or single-tap configurations, and capacities ranging from 150 to 900 watts. The transformers meet various UL requirements, and they come with an industry-leading 10-year warranty. The EX transformer is our most economical power and control option. The EX is perfect for small-scale lighting projects. The transformer's compact size allows it to fit comfortably in tight spaces, while its powder-coated finish gives end users the flexibility to paint the enclosure for seamless integration into any setting. The terminal blocks are angled 45 degrees for easy field installation. If additional levels of control are required, the EX is compatible with most plug-in astronomical timers and photocells. The EX is available in 150-watt capacity. The PX transformer is one of the industry's most long-standing and reliable multi-tap lighting transformers. Its robust stainless steel cabinet provides ample room to incorporate plug-in timer accessories. To simplify field wire installation, the PX's multi-tap terminal blocks are the largest in the industry. The PX is available in 300, 600, and 900 watt capacities. The DX controller provides a reliable, high-quality solution for customers with intermediate on-off lighting control needs. The easy-to-program controller is the only product in its class to bring customers the convenience of all-in-one functionality, which means there is no need to purchase accessories such as timers or photocells. Capabilities include manual operation, the capacity to create scheduled programs, and the ability to configure astronomical timing with sunrise and sunset offset based on the latitude and longitude for locations in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. The sleek, contemporary DX comes with an easy-to-read, full-color LCD display that makes installation and configuration a breeze. The optional add-on 9-volt battery adapter allows for pre-installation programming, saving contractors time on site. The DX is available in 150 and 300 watt capacities. The flagship Luxor controller is the most advanced lighting control solution from FX Luminaire. Thanks to the power of Luxor technology, the controller can zone and dim individual or groups of fixtures and add up to 30,000 vibrant colors to create endless lighting designs. A user-friendly app gives homeowners the ability to adjust light intensity throughout the night and develop special color themes for parties, holidays, and special events, right from the palm of their hand. Calendar-based programming capabilities means these themes can be planned and preset in advance. As FX Luminaire's premium lighting control option, Luxor is compatible with a range of accessories that transform it into a complete control system for outdoor living spaces, including the Luxor Cube and Luxor Satellite. The Cube allows for automatic control of water feature pumps, automatic gates, and other items with a relay input, while the Satellite allows for a single point of control for sites requiring multiple Luxor controllers. Luxor also easily integrates into popular smart home systems, providing homeowners maximum convenience by allowing them to combine their indoor control system with their outdoor lighting. Luxor is available in 150 and 300 watt capacities. Outdoor lighting systems provide many functional benefits for homeowners. From the simple beauty and elegance of creative lighting designs to enhanced safety and security for their property. With a low-voltage lighting control solution to suit the needs of every homeowner, there is no better time to choose FX Luminaire. For more information about our comprehensive lighting solutions, visit fxl.com.